Welcome to another video. Today we have something very cool, super interesting video for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to unlock the network of your phone to use it with any carrier. This is 100% legal. Your phone will not be damaged in any way. It is in fact very positive and beneficial to be fully network unlocked. Because your phone's resale value will increase because your phone will be compatible with any other carrier worldwide. We're gonna begin. So to start, we're gonna get the phone's IMEI number. That's a unique number for every phone. So to get it, simply dial *#06#. As you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear in the screen of your phone. This number is very important. It represents the ID of your phone, and keep it somewhere close because we're gonna use it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Okay, now we're gonna switch to the computer. We're gonna use this website to request the unlock code to unlock this phone. So first you need to fill in the information about the phone you want to unlock in this form. The processing times may always vary, so be very patient. It may be very fast sometimes, but sometimes it may also take a little bit longer, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so after you have waited the estimated amount of time, you're gonna get an email, and I'm gonna show you how the email will look like. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Just leave them in the comment section down below. Subscribe, like. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.